Hello, moneymakers. Yesterday I was having trouble sleeping at night, and as usual I was browsing through YouTube video and found this channel that helps their audience to get sleep. Yes, that's right. They are uploading bedtime stories on YouTube and have gained over 500,000 subscribers, which is insane. Their top 10 popular videos have got millions of views. Do you know what is the secret ingredient of the success of this channel? My friend, that is AVD, which is average views duration. This is a very important metric that can make you or break you on YouTube. People on this channel are watching their videos and they fall asleep. Hence, the video will be watched till the end, and they are more than an hour long too. This signals the algorithm that the viewers are interested in watching their video, and it pushed the video to more wider audience. Let's check out one more channel called Stephen Dalton Sleep Stories. He's got over 180,000 subscribers in just 2 years on YouTube and should be making well over $30,000. Take a look at the views he is getting on each videos. So if you are convinced of starting a YouTube channel in this niche, then in the next 10 minutes, I will reveal everything that you need to know on how to such videos with the help of AI. So grab some popcorns and watch this video with me till the end. Step 1. Creating a channel. Just go to YouTube and head to the section where you can set up your channel. Now we need to pick a name for it, so I'll quickly check with ChatGPT for some ideas. But before we dive in, just copy this channel link for easy access later. Alright, now head over to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT, I want to create a channel like this, and paste the link. Then ask, are you ready to help me with that? This way, ChatGPT will get a sense of the type of content you're aiming for. Now I'm going to type, okay, thanks. Now could you provide me with some name ideas that evoke calmness and relaxation? Perfect for a sleep-focused YouTube channel? And there you go. ChatGPT provides a few name ideas, like Serene Slumbers, Tranquil Nights, and more. But I want my channel name to start with the word sleep, so it feels more connected to the theme. Alright, let's pick one of these names and ask ChatGPT to create a prompt for generating a channel logo and banners. Now we're going to create a channel logo and banner using these prompts. You can even generate images directly with ChatGPT. With the free version, you can create up to 2 images a day, and with the pro version, you have unlimited image generation. There are also other great free tools available, like Pixelman AI and Leonardo AI. And make sure to stick around for the later part of this video, where I'll introduce an amazing tool that creates high-quality images at no cost. So, stay tuned. Once you've generated the images, head back to YouTube to complete the channel creation process. Alright, now we can move on to the next step, which is one of the most exciting. Step 2. Creating a story. Let's return to ChatGPT and enter this prompt. Write me an adult bedtime story from only the narrator's point of view, about, and then enter your topic. Make sure to specify the length and include as many details as possible about how you want your story to feel and unfold. That way, the story will be unique to you. If you just type, write me a bedtime story, ChatGPT might create a more general story. In fact, it may have even provided a similar story to other creators who used the same prompt. This could reduce your chances on YouTube, as the platform might classify your video as repetitive content, which can impact its reach. So try to customize your prompt as much as possible. This will help you generate a truly unique story. As you can see here, I entered this detailed description for my story. Write me an adult bedtime story from only the narrator's point of view about the enchanted garden. In a mystical garden that appears only under the full moon, 2 individuals from rival families meet in secret. They discover an ancient prophecy that binds their fates, leading to a passionate romance that defies family loyalty and societal expectations, forcing them to confront their pasts to create a future together. This way, ChatGPT can create a story that's completely original, tailored just for you. Then, make sure to specify your desired length. Try to go for longer videos, because bedtime stories tend to play as listeners drift off, meaning the longer your video, the higher the average view duration, and the longer the view duration, the better your revenue potential. Alright, as you can see, ChatGPT generated a complete story that's unique and just right. It even gave me a fitting intro, just like the one on the reference channel I shared. Welcome, dear listener. Today, I invite you to embark on a journey to a mystical place known only to those who dare to dream. That's perfect, right? You can also make some edits on your own, or ask ChatGPT to make changes.
Do you want prompts that I personally use to write scripts for my channels? Then just hit that subscribe and like button and comment down below. I will pick your comments from the studio and reply you with the amazing prompts which you might have not used before in your journey as a giveaway.
Once you have the script, the next step is getting someone to narrate the story. Step 3. Making the voiceover. If you have a good voice and a decent microphone, you could narrate the story yourself, which makes your content unique. But if you don't have the right equipment or prefer another option, you can create the voiceover using AI. For this, open 11 Labs. It's an AI tool that can create high-quality, natural-sounding voices, so you get a professional voiceover without needing to record it yourself. Go to the Voice section and open the Voice library. Look for a calm and soft voice that sounds natural. It's important to choose a voice that's very soothing, as high-pitched or loud voices might keep listeners awake rather than helping them relax. So take your time and pick the perfect, unique voice for your content. You can also clone a voice to make it truly your own. For now, I'll select Diana's voice for my video. Now, paste the script, generate the voiceover, and download it.
Dear listener, tonight I invite you to embark on a journey to a mystical place known only to those who dare to dream. Picture a garden, lush and vibrant.
Perfect. Moreover, you can add some commentary lines throughout the story like, "I hope you're feeling very sleepy and at ease." This makes the narration sound more natural and less robotic. Alright, once you have the audio, it's time to create the video. But before that, we need some beautiful images to go along with it. Let's go back to ChatGPT and use this prompt. I need to generate a colorful image based on the story provided above, similar to the reference channel I mentioned. Please give me an image prompt for each paragraph, and for the intro paragraph, an image prompt for a cozy bedroom. And there you go. You'll now have prompts to generate images. You can also add some stock footage if you like, using sites like Pexels or Pixabay. However, I recommend creating your own images, as stock images and videos are widely used and might not stand out as much. So copy the prompt and use any image generator you're comfortable with. I'll be using CG Dream AI for this. It gives you some free tokens each day, and the results are impressive. Just sign in, pick an image style from the dashboard, paste the prompt, set it to a 16:9 ratio, and hit create. Wow, look at these images. They're exactly what I was looking for. Just keep going like this. Create each image one by one and download them to your computer. Since we don't need a ton of images for this kind of video, just one image per paragraph will do. Alright, now let's add some effects to really make our images pop. Open Canva, choose video icon from the dashboard. Then go to the Elements section and search for Star Video and download these types of videos. These effects will transform our images and make them even more eye-catching. I'll show you how this effect will be useful when we get to editing. There are tons of options here, so just download the ones you like best. And if you want to add effects like the ones shown in this video on the reference channel. For this, you need to search Neon Motion on Canva. You'll find plenty of options to choose from, so download whichever one you like. Alternatively, you can also find similar video effects on YouTube as well, like rain effects and snow effects, or many more. Now let's move on to the next step, finding soft and relaxing music. This is really important for this niche. You can find copyright-free music in the YouTube audio library. Just search for soothing or meditation music, but the only problem with the YouTube audio library is that it has only a few options. So, if you're serious about this, I'd suggest using music from paid tools like Upbeat, Envato, or other tools which provide copyright-free music. Right now, I'll use music from Storyblocks. I'll choose this music for my video. I'll also download some relaxing rain sounds to add at the end of the video after the story is finished. Something to help the audience drift off to sleep. Alright, now that we have everything we need, let's not waste any time and jump to the next step. Step 5. Editing. I will use CapCut for this. First, drag the voiceover onto the timeline. Let's move the voiceover track a bit further back because I want the video to start with calm music to set a soothing vibe right from the beginning. Next, add the images to the timeline. Then, click on Adjustment and apply it to the timeline. Now, adjust the settings to give your video a darker, calming effect. Like I mentioned before, we're creating this video to help people fall asleep, so avoid using any flashy effects or bright lights that might disturb their relaxation. Increase the vignette and contrast a bit, and make any other adjustments as needed to enhance the calming effect. Now, I'll add this blue star effect video which I downloaded from Canva to a second layer on the timeline. To remove the black background, just go to Basic, then Blend, and select Screen from the options available. And boom, it's done. As you can see, the background is now removed and it looks beautiful. You can also adjust the opacity to increase or decrease the intensity if you'd like. You can add any of these effects in the same way, like a golden star effect video. Just follow the same steps.
Welcome, dear listener.
You could even add a neon effect at the beginning of the video by removing its black background like this. But I like the blue spark effect, so let's add this in the entire video.
Lush and
Aside from these, CapCut also offers many built-in effects. For example, here I'll apply the luminance effect to the entire video. Finally, I'll add a rain effect with gentle rain sounds at the end of the story to help create a relaxing atmosphere. After that, go to the effect and add dark brown effect in your entire video. Then, I'll add background music and sound effects wherever they're needed. And that's it, guys. Your bedtime story video is ready. If you feel like you learned even a little from this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel before you go. Now enjoy the video, and I'll see you in the next one.
welcome, dear listener. Tonight I invite you to embark on a journey to a mystical place known only to those who dare to dream. Picture a garden, lush and vibrant, that awakens under the silver glow of the full moon. This garden, with its fragrant blooms and whispering leaves, holds secrets that can change the course of fate. In this enchanted realm, two individuals from rival families find solace and connection amidst the chaos of their worlds. As the moonlight dances upon the petals of roses and lilies, their story unfolds, a tale of love, loyalty, and the courage to defy societal expectations. On a night when the moon hung low in the sky, casting a luminous glow across the garden, a young woman named Alara stepped through a hidden archway entwined with ivy. Her heart raced with anticipation and fear. You see, relax your mind and don't tense your body. Let the story guide you to bed.